do you wear it out? Like, do you wear it in the UK? Like, can you actually go out in these shoes and not be laughed at? Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are going to be reviewing the one and only Yeezy foam runners in the colour sand. Now, when I actually entered all these raffles and tried to get it, I kind of thought, I don't know if I'm actually going to keep this because the shoe looks a bit crazy. Like, I don't really understand what you can wear it with. Like, do you wear it out? Like, do you wear it in the UK? Like, it's always raining and cold here. Like, can you actually go out in these shoes and not be laughed at? Anyway, so it turned out I'd won a raffle on SNS. It was my first win from SNS. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, they took a couple of days to come and here they are. So we're gonna go through them now and do an unboxing. I don't even know if you call them like trainers, like they're like Crocs, like I don't even know. So first of all, they came in this box which only has a sticker label on the side, and when I opened the box they actually came in, I was kind of like, have they got a wrong order or something? Because I don't understand what this box is. Usually my Yeezy trainers come in different boxes. They have the style of the number here and all of that, but this is literally just a plain box. Anyway, I opened the box and it had foam here and it actually says runner down the side of the box. So yeah, that is kind of Yeezy design. So let's open them. So here is the shoe thing in all its glory. Do you know what? I feel like if I saw this in a shop, for example, I would literally be like, what the hell is that? And if it wasn't Yeezy, would I buy it? No, I wouldn't. So this shoe cost £70. I feel like £70 for Yeezys, even if it is a Croc, isn't that bad. I feel like for Yeezy pricing, I feel like that's quite good. Again, if it wasn't Yeezy, would I ever dream of paying £70 for some Croc thing? No. Nevertheless, here we are, and this is actually in the colour sand. They also did a moon grey colour, which I did actually also really like, but I do really like this colour actually. It's kind of, you know, your neutral kind of tones. I can imagine wearing a neutral kind of toned outfit with this as well. I do feel like you have to kind of wear the right outfit to rock these properly. These foam runners are so soft, and that is because the shoe is actually made out of algae and some kind of rubbery material. You can notice all around the shoe there is loads of slits and holes. This literally gives me typical Yeezy vibes. They actually remind me of the Yeezy 700s version 3s. They've got kind of similar shapes, and they kind of look very similar, but obviously that is a trainer. These holes are actually made for ventilation, and the material of the shoe is actually quite thick, so I feel like this is really important. Otherwise, I can imagine your foot getting quite hot and sweaty, which is definitely not a vibe. So those holes are definitely really important. Also notice on the side of the shoe there is 3 stripes of holes, which is obviously in line with the Adidas logo, which is another cool feature that they've incorporated subtly into the shoe. One thing I really do like is the back of the heel. It is really high and it's almost like a heel tab, which I guess is used for getting your foot easily in and out. I also feel the high heel tab will make your foot extra secure. So inside the shoe is a rub texture, again really important, especially in the summer, to make sure your foot is not sliding about everywhere, that you've got some kind of good grip. Now moving on to the sole, this sole reminds me of a Yeezy 500. It has the grooves and the waves, obviously matches the rest of the foam runner. Really like this sole, and obviously it's made out of foam, so I'm really expecting this to be super comfy. More and more I look at this shoe, and especially after trying it on, the more I actually really like it. They are super comfy. At the end of the day, you are just literally walking on foam. Sizing wise is a bit of an awkward one. I'm usually a 7.5 in Adidas. Now this is really important because they don't do 0.5 sizes, they only do full sizes, so I either had to get a size 7 or a size 8. So I went for a size 7, and I am wearing socks here, so obviously bear that in mind, but they do fit a little bit snug. I feel like these shoes, I will probably most wear them on holiday or something, barefooted. So for me, I think size 7 is great, but I feel like if you're wearing socks and things like that, I would go a size up. So I should have really gone for a size 8 if I wanted to wear them with kind of socks and things, because they are a bit snug for me. If you're usually a 0.5 size, then I would recommend going up if you're going to be wearing socks and things like that, or go down if you're going to be barefooted. Another great thing about these shoes is that if I get them dirty, I think they'll be like super easy to clean because of the material, which is always a good thing. I actually feel like I could run in these shoes, probably need to test that out. So guys, that is the end of my video. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are these like completely ugly and crazy, or are they a vibe? Like, I'm still like undecided on them. They are super comfortable, and I feel like Crocs, like people don't really wear like Crocs outside really, so I feel like for like home and stuff, like then they could be like perfect. But I feel like going out in these, like I don't know if I'm brave enough to go out, like especially in the UK in these. On holiday, 100% sure I could definitely rock these, but like wearing them or like on a casual basis, I'm not so sure about. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.